Are you wondering which trading platform is better? Today, we'll compare Trading 212 and XTB. Both platforms help you trade stocks, forex, and other assets. They offer tools for both beginners and experienced traders, but they have some differences that might help you decide which one to use. Let's start with Trading 212. This platform is known for its user-friendly interface. It's perfect for beginners who want to start trading without feeling overwhelmed. You can trade stocks without paying any commission. They also offer a demo account so you can practice before using real money. Now, let's talk about XTB. XTB is a bit more advanced. It's great for those who want more features and tools. They offer a wide range of trading instruments, including cryptocurrencies. XTB also provides educational resources which can help you learn as you trade. So, what are the key differences? Trading 212 is simpler and focuses on commission free trading. XTB, on the other hand, offers more advanced tools and a wider variety of assets. Uh, when it comes to features, Trading 212 shines with its easy to use app and zero commissions. XTB stands out with its powerful trading platform and extensive educational content. Pricing is also different. Trading 212 does not charge commissions for stocks, while XTB has some fees, especially for certain trades. In the end, if you are a beginner looking for an easy start, Trading 212 is a good choice. But if you want more features and are willing to pay some fees, XTB might be better for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.